We're Brianna and Derek, and for the last 3 months, we've worked every day to turn this cargo van into a roaming home on wheels, equipped with all the modern luxuries.
We can put it right in now.
Despite some things not going to plan, we put it up all wrong. Now, we get to take it all down.
I got a leak. Okay.
We are working hard to get the main components hooked up before we leave on our big camping trip.
I'm not really getting much. Okay. Oh, there we go.
Building pressure now.
There we go. That's full pressure.
Yay!
You hear that kick on and off? That's cool.
That pump is so loud.
Alrighty, water systems. We're gonna start at the fill cap here. We unscrew this, and that's how we fill our water tank. It goes all the way back into our tank in the back there. We can hold 100 liters or 26 gallons. I think that's like 96 liters, but I don't know the exact conversion. After that, it's gonna go through our pump and into our accumulator. We use the accumulator so that you don't actually have to have your pump kicking on every so often. It's gonna actually allow us to double our lifetime of our pump. So we use that. It goes into our water heater afterwards. All of our cold water gets directed off to our sink and to our filter system, and as well to our outdoor shower. We have a 15-liter water heater. This guy pulls in a lot of juice, but it's well worth it for those hot showers. Hot line will come out the back here where it has a mixer. We have a quick connect hose for the outdoor shower, and also gets redirected way up to the front so we can do dishes without having to boil any hot water.
Am I good? This is where we store our gray water. So basically, when we're doing the dishes or whatever, the water drains through this small pipe into this 20-gallon gray water tank.
20 liter.
20-liter gray water tank. We also have another exact tank here just for a backup. So if this one is full and we're out somewhere where it's not, we're not able to dump it, we have that as a backup, and we can store that until somewhere safe, because you're not allowed to dump gray water just anywhere. So we just unscrew this little knob, take it out, and then this comes off. We also store our water filters at the back here. So these can be removed and changed every so often when needed, and that gives us our drinking water. That way only some of it's filtered and we don't need to filter every single thing coming in through our tap, which also saves the lifespan of our filters as well. So that's all the little fancy stuff under the sink. Also picked up our bench cushions today. What do you guys think? And we just came home to lots and lots of fun packages. Ordered some accessories from IKEA. We got our Lagoon table mount, which will be our swivel table for the bench seat. Super, super exciting. We got our Nature's Head composting toilet. And we picked up these very luxurious camp chairs today as well. So I'll be sitting by the fire all day like this. Oh, it's so nice. But yeah, let's open up our packages and see what we got.
We need to make more left-handed things. How am I supposed to do this?
Sorry, buddy. Want me to open it for you?
No. I like knives. I think we got ripped off. Didn't come with screws.
Oh, I think we have a million of them downstairs. It's okay. Lagoon, why you no come with screws?
What the hell, man? Why you coming on my screws? Looks good though.
How are the chairs though?
Thought I was sitting on a cloud. Forgot I was in a chair.
All right, next package.
Dang it. I'm still...
Next package. All right. I'm scared. Not super comfy. Not that you'd want to sit on it for like a long time, but I feel like so high up. My feet literally barely touch the floor. Look. You try.
My sitting wheeze.
Yeah, you have to sit down now.
My sitting wheeze.
Thoughts?
Good.
Neat. I'm so excited.
Alrighty. So what we got to do here is we got to do some stuff and some things. And what are we doing, Brie? So that's a vent line for the water, so that when you put water in here, air can come out.
Okay.
So that has to be a little bit higher up than your water line, otherwise you're gonna get water sloshing back through there. So we just want air coming through that, because this one's not sealed. Whereas this big line, our fill line, we want this to just be straight. And we want it to be downward sloping.
Which it kind of is.
Yeah, I think so.
Wow, it is hot out here now. It was raining and so cold this morning, but it's sunny and beautiful and hot now. So we are getting some wood out, getting the saw out, and working on boxing in an area over the batteries, so that way we have extra storage, because the chairs that we just bought are massively comfortable but also massively sized. They're like 3 times the size of a normal camp chair. So we're making a box to go over the batteries. They can breathe, don't worry. So that way we can slide the chairs on there and utilize all the space possible in our garage. So that's what Derek is working on right now.
Inch and a quarter or an inch and an eighth?
Inch and a quarter.
Thought so.
Question yourself every time.
Sorry. Double check.
You're doing?
Making a box for the batteries, but we gotta make sure they're vented. So we're just adding a couple holes.
I guess I'm the cleanup crew. Would you like to do the honors and cross off the first thing we finished on the list?
What did we do?
Putting the battery box on. Ta-da! Cross another thing off the list.
Off the list.
Final touch. Alright, let's see it. Oh, so cute.
Do you want a gooseneck like the other one?
So, we can put our bed in now?
We can put our bed in now.
I hope it's good. Let's go get it.
Yeah, where'd you get that, IKEA?
No.
And there's little mountains that come
Same
on
place.
it.
Oh.
Isn't that so cute? Happy?
Looks great.
Yeah.
No dirty feet in the bed.
Hey, don't get my dirty feet.
It looks glorious.
It is glorious. Very happy. Good
Yay.
job, Douglas.
Thanks, Douglas.
Oh no, I'm good. I saw your pictures of all of them. Holy. That's what happens.
We're actually checking things off the list, getting things done today. Next thing to do is mount our Lagoon table mount. So they give you this little plate. We put our own bolts in, and we're gonna mount it on the side of the bench. We don't have our tabletop made yet. We'll have to figure out what we're making it out of, but for now we can get the arm mounted and start from there. But someone doesn't want to get out of bed now that he's laid in his comfy mattress. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to ever get him out.
Bedtime.
You look so comfy.
I am comfy.
Okay, well, I'll go start that and I'll be back. Okay?
Yep.
Right. Because we added a lip on our bench, this plate doesn't sit flush and give enough room for the cushion to overhang. So we're just adding another piece of melamine underneath it for this plate to mount on. So Derek is just edging it.
Ow.
Why are you touching it when it's hot?
Don't do that.
Derek is just edging it now to give it a more finished look. And then we'll mount this plate on and then mount that onto the side of the bench. Right?
Right.
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 I do. That doesn't clear,
You'd
does it?
probably kind of. Sorry.
You can mount it however far you want.
Yeah, you'd probably want.
Yeah, that's a tiny table.
Well, I mean, so both these sitting there. This could
So how
probably,
far over
this
would-
probably could come more.
We'd
So
want it like
each,
that,
so
yeah.
each of you have half of it, right?
Yeah.
So you'd
Is
want.
that flush or not?
No, I'm way like here's the edge where my hand is. So the rest of it's just open wood.
So the
But if I
arms-
go too much more, then I don't really have.
So the arm's a
So
little
the arm's
exposed?
just gonna stick out then.
So this arm might
Yeah.
be exposed a bit because this wood's not quite long enough. And the only way to get around that is something else other than this board. Don't forget, this has to still get cut a little bit off too, eh?
Yeah.
So.
Maybe it's not long enough then.
Yeah.
You could really only fit 2 people in there.
Oh yeah, that's all
Like,
it's made for,
yeah.
isn't it? Or did you want it for more?
Yeah.
Like you want this to come way down like that?
Yeah, because then,
And then-
someone can sit here on the end.
Holy shit! You want a big freaking table then? If you
Is
want
that
that to
too
come,
big?
if you want that to come way down there, this still needs to come down here, and yet you want it wider than that even?
Or are you gonna store this?
Wow.
This is like on the
I
bed.
don't know, I wanted
That's
to host guests.
that is going to be big. Holy Toledo!
Okay, well, let's start with this one for now. That does look nice though.
Well, take this on your trip.
Yeah.
We'll get it mounted in and take it on your trip and
Go
test
from
it out for the two of you.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. We are pretty much done the van. Well, that's not true. We still need to build upper cabinets all along this side here above our bed in the kitchen. We have to build drawers still in our kitchen, but everything other than that is pretty much set to go, enough to be livable for our camping trip. So if anybody has any recommendations, we're going to Thunder Bay and we're going to Sleeping Giant Provincial Park, Lake Superior, and Killarney. So if any of you have ever been there or near there and have any cool spots to recommend for us, please leave it in the comments below, and we greatly appreciate it, and we'll check those out. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like the videos. It really helps us grow our channel, and we appreciate all of the love and support so far. We are having fun building and making these videos, so if you like them and want more, please let us know. Alright guys, we'll see you next week, and we will be adventuring. So packing the van is going to be a chore. We have to go through all of the boxes that we have packed from our condo that are sitting in my fruit cellar downstairs, so that'll be a task for next week, but see you then.
like a bird on a tree.